Hey you guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video about blending sponges with cleaning them. So normally what I do when I clean them is I use the Dow antibacterial soap and also coconut oil. I've been seeing videos where makeup artists has been cutting their sponges open and they've been molded, just been all type of stuff. So it just depends on how you clean them. I cut one already. I had just used this, but I've been having this sponge since it came out, which has been about over 2 years. Okay, so I cut it, and if you can see here, it is absolutely clean. There's no mold, no anything. I'll make sure I cut it again just so you guys can see. There's no mold, but there's nothing here. Okay, so it just depends on how you clean them. Every day you clean them. Most of them, when you wet them, they get bigger. Once it does that, if you let it get too big, it'll start to, split and cut up. So you just watch the intake of water you put in it. Once you do clean them, you make sure that you sponge all the water out completely dry, and then let it dry overnight, and then you're fine. But you do this after each use of you using the sponge, and you won't have any problems with mold or black stuff or all that type of stuff that they say be in the sponges. So you can see here, there's nothing here. And this sponge is very old, but I clean them all the time. So that makes a big difference. Y'all make sure y'all check back with us. We have lashes coming out. We have eyeliner coming out. We have eyeshadow palettes. Subscribe, share, like, because we do have a lot coming out. Thanks.